Hey guys, what's going on? I'm working on bringing an old tiller back to life that I recently got. The gas tank, when I got it, was full of water, and it went down, and that's the carb bowl. It's probably the worst carb I've ever seen. And the gas tank, like I said, full of water, and then the whole inside of the gas tank is covered with thick varnish, just where the gas is broken down, and that's what's left. It looks like syrup. So what I'm going to try to do is get rid of the varnish. As you can see, I have heavyweight nitrile gloves on. What I'm going to be using is crystal drain opener. This is sodium hydroxide, and when you use sodium hydroxide, it's caustic soda. You need to make sure that you have on heavyweight nitrile gloves and eye protection, preferably a face shield. I've looked online and I'm not sure how much I'm supposed to put in here, so I'm going to kind of wing it. Safety lids. Let you all see here. Somebody said use a half of a can, but I don't think I should need that much. Probably about that much. That looks like probably between a quarter and a fourth of a cup. And then we're just going to add hot to warm water. Here's where you gotta watch and not let it splash up in your face. I was going to show the inside of this can, but I'm using a GoPro and it's not very good at macros. So we're just going to fill it completely up with hot water. And I think we're leaking from the bottom. Okay, that's completely filled up. Go ahead and put the lid on it. Like so. We are not leaking from the bottom, that's good. I did have to do a repair right here with the soldering iron. I'm going to shake this up a little bit. I'm going to set it out and let it sit for probably a half an hour. I think we got another leak over here as well. I'll have to fix that leak. So make sure it's good and mixed up and let it sit for half an hour, and I'll be back in a half an hour just to see the outcome. Okay, I'm back. This has actually been sitting for about 2.5 hours. You can see right here some of the varnish has came out. So what I'm going to do now is release this, pour it in to a bucket. You can see just how nasty that water is. Let's see. Okay, got it. A lot of it's out, but there's still quite a bit left in the bottom. So I guess I'm going to have to do another round with a little bit stronger, but there's a definite good result. So I'm going to do this one more time. Okay, on further inspection of the tank, the little pieces that I thought were stuck to the bottom of the tank were actually free. So what I did is I went in and washed it real good with water, and then I went back and filled the bottom up full of several small bolts, and then just shook it back and forth, and it got it, I don't know if you can see or not, but that is super clean. So sodium hydroxide to clean out old gas tanks works great, but you have to watch because that's the pH of the water that I pulled out. So think back to chemistry in high school or college. One thing that I did forget to mention is I tried numerous things in the beginning before I went and tried the sodium hydroxide. You name it, I tried it. Gasoline, diesel, carb cleaner, mean green, grease lightning, nothing cut it at all. But this took it out quick. It's cleaned out and ready to go back on. As always, thanks for watching.
Good, good, good. You're taking a strong fall from the north. Slow down. No sweat.